The BYD SEALION 7, an electric medium SUV, has become the latest in BYD's expanding lineup to achieve a 5-star safety rating. Testing of the SEALION 7 highlighted strong performance across the 4 key assessment areas, including scores of 87% for adult occupant protection, where the model achieved full points for the side impact, oblique pole, and far side impact tests. Weak chest protection was, however, offered to the rear passenger's chest in the full-width test. The family SUV scored 93% for child occupant protection. Protection of the 6-year-old and 10-year-old dummies was rated good for the frontal offset and side impact tests, and maximum points were awarded. The SEALION 7 is fitted with a direct child presence detection (CPD) system, which raises an alert when a child is left in one of the vehicle's rear seats. High scores were awarded for the BYD SEALION 7's performance in autonomous emergency braking tests with a pedestrian, cyclist, motorcyclist, and other vehicles, contributing to scores of 76% for vulnerable road user protection and 78% for safety assist. Now it's your turn. What do you think about the BYD SEALION 7 safety rating? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.